Hi, this is Bill with a review of the outdoor Wicker three-seater sofa in brown and tan. And this three-seater sofa is really the perfect addition to any backyard or patio. It features a sturdy wicker construction over a steel frame, and the sofa not only is really well built, but it's stylish as well, with some slightly curved armrests for just a little bit of flair, along with a seat cushion for maximum comfort. This sofa is a must-have for your backyard. What a great way to spend a summer evening just relaxing. One recommendation I would make is to make sure you get some pillows or some sort of support for the back, because it's a little uncomfortable if you're just leaning back against the wicker with the stabilizing bar across the top. But from every possible angle, this Wicker three-seater sofa is extremely comfortable and a great addition for your outdoor patio fun.